Well, I got some parts in. It's time to get to working on this old girl. We got some things we got to do. We got some fluids we got to change. We've got a little problem up front that I didn't know we had, but we're going to start there and I'll show you what it is. But first we're going to remove all this tin work off the hood where we can get to it. We'll take the muffler off and all that. And I'll just fix it where I can pull it back outside and cover it up here. And keep it here for till we get it all fixed up, because gardening season is just right around the corner. Beautiful day today, Valentine's Day. Hope you guys got your wife something. If you didn't, you better go now. And naturally, it's got the wrong screws in it. We're going to take care of that as well. Show you what we got. Do y'all see a problem there? Not only does it not have a belt, I wondered why the battery wasn't charged, and I never looked under here. But if I can get this camera to focus, I want you to notice something. I want you to look at that pulley right there. And that pulley right there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this back pulley up here on this alternator is about, I'd say, a good inch, 2 inches back from that crankshaft pulley. So somebody's tried to use the original bracket, the generator bracket. You can see how they've cobbled it all together, which is okay. I've done that stuff before, but they've done that and they couldn't get it up far enough. That's why it doesn't have a belt on it. I guarantee it threw the belt off and they just give up on it and said, hey, forget it. So that's probably why. But anyway, I've got a new bracket set that we're going to put on here. We're going to start there and get that working first, and get that mess all over there and get that all cleaned up. And that way we'll have our generator fixed. And then we're going to move on to tune up stuff and adjustments. We've got to adjust the governor. We've got to adjust the clutch, oil changes, all kinds of stuff. We're going to change the transmission fluid and I want you to know we had fun finding the high transmission fluid for this, the hydraulic fluid, and but I finally found it. And also, these old tractors use low ash oil, 30 weight low ash oil, and I dare you to go try to find some of that, at least around here. Now you probably find it somewhere else, but I couldn't find it. But anyway, we're going to tear the rest of the tin off this thing. We're going to take the muffler off of it, and I wanted to show you these. They had kind of a unique design. These are called cage nuts, and I've got a couple of them missing. And here's the nut, the bolts that's supposed to hold it on there. It's actually supposed to be screws, and I've got these brand new stainless steel. I went ahead and bought these, bit the bullet and got these. But anyway, we're going to finish taking the rest of this tin off, and we're going to get to working on this old girl. Well, that's been in there a while. Yeah, I think we need a valve cover gasket. And I think we need a new exhaust pipe. I bet getting that baby out of there, chances are slim to none. Oh, come on. Well, no wonder that the battery wouldn't stay charged up. I thought the battery was bad. But this is the kind of stuff you find with these old farm tractors. They done the best they could with what they had. They's poor. Didn't have nothing. My dad was a sharecropper for a while. I know how all this works. Or how all that worked. It's sad that the people that feed us get the raw end of the stick. But that's life, isn't it? There we go. I guess I should have took that wire off first. But it'll sit right there just fine. We'll get a socket. Imagine an old generator bracket. Probably sell that pretty easy. I'm not gonna need it no more. Yep. Alright, let's get that cleaned off and see what we got.